Hear the melody of birdsong in the morning. Picture yourself surrounded by the symphony of nature. Say to yourself, the morning birdsong is a reminder of the beauty and harmony in the world. As I listen to the birds, I am attuned to the rhythm of nature and the possibilities of a new day. Each note of the birdsong fills me with gratitude for the gift of life. I am in harmony with the energy of the morning, embracing its positive vibrations. The birdsong is a symphony of inspiration, guiding me through the day.